Hello. I'm here to take you through the steps on your first brew of the iGulu S1. Switch on the machine. First we need to make sure that the fermentation keg and tubes have been cleaned and sanitized. First, add potable water to the lowest level of the keg. Then add the hop extract, yeast and malt extract from the iGulu kit. Close the lid of the keg and the hoop. Connect the tube. Put keg into machine. Connect the air hose until you hear a snap. Close the clamps on the tube. Take off the cap of the tube. Pull down the handle and insert the tube at the head end downwards. Return the handle to its original position. Connect the black connector end to the keg spout until you hear a click. Replace the cap of the tube. Replace the lid. Start brewing. Take out the RFID card from the iGulu kit, hold it near the sensor area, on the side of the machine. The corresponding brewing program will be displayed on the screen. Click to confirm and you can brew with one click. Dispensing. When the machine screen switches to the cooling page and the ambient light turns green, you can drink. Loosen the pipe clamp by 2 to 3 notches. Ready for dispensing. Tilt the cup at an angle of about 45 degrees. Allow the beer to flow into the glass along the inner wall of the glass. Gradually return the glass to the right position so that a certain amount of foam is generated in the glass.